Today, I got my community tab on my channel. YouTube changed the rules for community tab, something I have been looking forward to and suggested so many times. And the reason for this is that I think the community tab can be beneficial for me as a creator and for you as the audience. And I have talked about that in an earlier video I did. October 12th, which was 2 days ago, they started rolling out community tab for users with 500 subscribers or more. Earlier it was 1,000 subscribers. And this morning when I logged into my channel, it was there. And all day I have been itching to start posting. But I decided to wait and try to go over this live with you and talk about what it can be used for me as a creator, but also how you as an audience can benefit from the community tab. So let's start to take a look at my channel. And now I have to look to the side here so I can show you here if my mouse will cooperate with me, is the new community tab. You have probably seen this before on bigger channels. If I click on that tab, you will see it is very empty. I haven't posted anything yet. And that's because I wanted to wait and do this. But I can reach this either from here on my channel, where I can post something. I can choose to add a video that I have in my, oh my gosh, it starts early today, this squirrel brain, in my studio. I'm not sure. We're gonna try if it has to be a live video or if I can actually add a video that's private. Probably not private, but maybe a video that is unlisted. I can create a poll, and this is where I think you as an audience will benefit more if I'm really thinking about what type of polls I want to create. And I can add images, and I believe it's up to 5 images or GIFs I can add here. So this is where I can find it if I go to my channel. But I can also find it on my dashboard. If I go to content on my dashboard, I now have uploads, I have live, and I have posts. Maybe I need to go in and do something with this post that I have posted. Or I want to create a post. And as you see, when I click that, it takes me back to my channel here. But I can reach it both from my studio and from my channel. And now we're going to see how this works. I have prepared here to show you how it looks on my phone. And here I have my phone in my hand. Let's turn down the light here a little bit. It's very light. There we go. Now I am on my cell phone on my channel. And up here you see community tab. I can't click there. I have to click on the phone. This is very confusing. As you see, it's still empty. Let's see what happens if I click there. No. If I click post. No. On the phone. As I said, I'm learning this with you. I haven't even tried it, even though I wanted to. Oh, sorry, I have to be on my phone. Let's click that little plus. And at the bottom here, where I'm pointing right now, on my phone, we have create post. I can draft a post to publish later. Let's see, do I need to do that here? Yeah, I click that and I can set up time and date and everything else. From here, I can add, this is where I create a poll. So What is your favorite drink? And then I add answers. And my first answer is coffee, tea, soda, water, other. And oh, I misspelled favorite. Favorite. It's so hard because I turned down. What is your favorite drink? And now I have my answer. And up here at the top, I can choose to either post it right away, or I can click here on the phone and set the date. But let's try. Let's post it right away. And now let's see what happened. And here we have it. It shows up in my community tab. No one has put in any answers yet, but people can like it, dislike it, share it, and leave a comment. And why don't we take a look under content in my studio? And we have to update that too. So here we have the post. It's a poll. It's 1 like and 1 vote. Okay, let's go look at it. Someone shows soda here. Okay, and here I have the link to the poll if I want to use that. And now we have 3 polls. I think you are very fast here in the chat. You go directly to the polls. Look at that. And DJ said soda, as we can see down here. So that was one of the things we could do. Let's upload an image. What are we going to put up there? Let's use this one. Write a message. This is me trying out the new community tab as I am live streaming. And let's post it. And there it is. And again, people can like, dislike, share, and comment. So now I have 2. I am gonna see video. What is interesting here is, let's search here. I can share both mine and others. Swinglish. Let's see. That is just other people's. My videos. Let's see if anything that's not public shows up here. Yeah, they do. All my videos show up here. So let's go down. Oh boy. We are really going back in time here to see what we can find. Okay, that was my very first video. Let's choose that one. Select. Just to try if I can share a not public video. Here you can laugh at and enjoy my very first video. Should we post it? Look at that. I have posted a poll, a photo, a video. And why didn't I try just text first? Because I am a squirrel brain. Now let's go see how that looks in Studio. Update that page and see what we have here. Okay, we have 4 posts. Oh my gosh, guys, you are quick. Look at the activities. Poll, image, video, text. I guess this is where I see my analytics for my posts. How many comments, how many likes, and how many votes. I must say this is really interesting. This was just a very first look at the community tab. How we do it, what we can do with it. I have to learn so much more about it. because this was my very first interaction with the community tab. Okay, that's my very first try at using a community post. I think this can be really a good way to connect with your audience.